My name is Khara Gresham, and I'm a dentist from Boston.
Right, so Dr. Gresham,
Yes.
is it your first time here in Jamaica?
It's my first time to Negril, but I've been to Kingston and Ocho Rios before.
Are you of Jamaican heritage?
I am not.
Where are you from?
I am from Philadelphia.
Born in Philly.
Born in Philadelphia.
You are a part of JAHJAH Foundation mission to change 2026.
Correct.
You brought down your dental team here
Yes.
from a dental practice in Boston.
Yes.
I understand you closed down your practice for the week.
We did.
Tell us about it, please.
We closed for the week. We wanted to do something, a mission trip. We talked about it as a staff, and I have a friend and colleague who has come to this JAHJAH mission a couple times, and she recommended it.
Alexandra!
We got in contact and made it work.
Right, and you've been here all week. You're in the grill.
Yes.
Seeing patients.
Yes.
How would you sum up the experiences on the last day?
Yeah, the last day it's very busy. It's been an awesome experience to see all the patients come out. Everyone's super thankful and appreciative, and it's been just a really life-changing experience to be able to do this time for work and see as many people as we did.
Right. So, is there a standout moment here for you throughout the week? Is there something that really resonated with you?
Just there was a patient, we did take out a lot of his teeth, but at the end he was just super appreciative. He hugged us and just was very thankful that we were there. And he thanked us for coming, and it was, it made, I think, everyone cry just because, that's not what we expected. Especially it's very different from the patients we see in Boston. They're a little cold and mean in Boston. So just to see everyone so warm and thankful is awesome.
Right. And lastly, JAHJAH Foundation, as you know, does a lot of work in Jamaica. Through your own eyes, what are your thoughts on what you see here in Jamaica, what the JAHJAH Foundation is doing?
I think they're doing a really awesome job. I think everyone who works for JAHJAH is really passionate, and they really care about the people here, and they really want to see change. And it's just been really cool to see everyone pull together from all walks of life to make this week work.
Well, thank you very much for making this big sacrifice by closing down the dental practice coming on here.
Thank you very much. It's been awesome. Thanks for having me.
The beautiful people of Jamaica, thank you.
Thank you very much. Thanks for having us. Big up JAHJAH Foundation.
All right, boom. Thank you.
Thank you.